Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this aloo paratha. It's by a brand known as Haldiram. It's an Haldiram paratha and it's ready to eat. That means you just need to warm it up and eat it. So they have 4 pieces, authentic Indian bread stuffed with potato, herbs and spices, homemade recipe. So ready in minutes. Ziploc. Important thing is Ziploc. Means if you want to eat one, you can take out one and just seal pack it again and use it for later purpose. Over here they have mentioned it has no onion, no garlic, because there are some community people who do not eat onion and garlic, so it's for them that it doesn't contain like anything like that. It is produced in India, product of India. And next is the quantity. Net weight is 400 gram and they have mentioned clearly over here, keep frozen at 18°C or below. So always keep these kind of stuff in refrigerator, in freezer. So what else? Over here they have mentioned the nutritional information and the yum way of making it. A dough with stuffing, and finally outcome is the paratha. They have mentioned the instructions also, that how you have to make it. So this is it. Now I'm gonna open it and show you how it looks like. So for that, you can see over here there's a small cut kind of thingy. You need to cut that portion only so that the ziploc is visible to you. So I'm cutting that portion and now hopefully I can see the ziploc. Yes. Yeah. Over here you can see it's ziploc. You just need to open it like this and then again close it. So parathas are like this. You can see the beautiful yum paratha. You just need to put it in the pan and warm it up and it's ready to eat. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.